Today I'm going to demonstrate how to clean a toilet from top to bottom and disinfect it the way a hospital would. I used to work for a hospital, and this is how we did it at that particular hospital, which is a Frederick hospital. I'm not going to say the actual word, but you know what I mean. So first thing you need is a mask. But if you're at your own house, of course, it's not mandatory, but really they make you wear a mask. You need goggles. You need gloves, like latex gloves, actually, but I have these, so I'm using these, or like plastic. And then the first thing you do is clean the bowl with the bowl cleaner of your choice, toilet bowl cleaner of your choice. I used this soft scrub, but it could be any toilet bowl cleaner that's an actual cleaner and disinfects, right, for the inside. And then for the actual cleaning of the toilet, there's two things, two wipies that we use. They're both by Clorox, and they both can be found in Amazon. And actually, one of them is this one, the Clorox. They both say healthcare, the Clorox healthcare. And this one is the bleach germicidal wipe. These are the ones that kill the germs. This is the one that disinfects. And yeah, that's that. And then this other Clorox wipies are also healthcare, but they're called hydrogen peroxide. These clean, they kill bacteria, but this is the first step we do is wipe with these to clean the toilet. And then we do the same thing all over again, clean it twice. The second time we use this one for killing the germs, for disinfecting. So these are for cleaning and these are for disinfecting. And if the germs are not dead with that, I don't know what will do it. So you put your gloves on. I already cleaned my toilet because, don't want to be embarrassed seeing something that's not supposed to be there. But you start on top, wiping the top of the toilet, and you work your way down. Also, disinfecting everything and not spreading germs, you're supposed to change your gloves in between wiping the outside and then getting ready to wipe the inside of this part. Also, change your gloves. And then also change them again when switching to use the other wipies. So you're going to need like 3 or 4 pairs of gloves. But if you're at home and it's your own toilet, you know, you can just use 1 pair, right? I mean, so you start with the top, do the handle, do all the surrounding, right? And then we're going to do the top of the bowl. Then you work your way down, we're really good. I'm just kind of doing it, but really just really do it really good. All these cracks in here, there's cracks in there. Do all that really good and wipe all the way down, right? And then, so we're done. You're done with that. Lift my toilet bowl and do the bowl inside. Then do this part, right? And then do the inside part, this part. Okay? Make sure you always use a brand new clean wipey on the actual seat, right? And we did the peroxide. Now I'm switching over to kill the germs with the germicidal wipe. And they're pretty small. Also, I use like more than one though because they're so small. When you order these on Amazon, they're in back stock usually. So I got this package, like a normal Amazon. This Clorox, this one, the bleach germicidal one, I waited months for this to arrive. Like you order it today, you're not gonna hear about it till like I almost waited like I'm gonna say 2 or 3 months because it's that much demand. And I think they only let you order like a certain amount. It's not like you can order a dozen or something like that. So yeah, and it's not cheap either. I mean, but it's good stuff. It's the stuff you want to use to actually kill germs and keep your home clean and disinfected. But that was all I wanted to demonstrate. I need to wash my hands now. That's the last step. I think it's Japan. I saw this mini documentary of how clean they keep their toilets. And I was like, wow, I want to be that person. And ever since I watched that video, I've been obsessed with keeping my toilet bowl clean. Hope you have a great day. God bless you.